Let me tell you a story about a friend, bright, successful, and happily married with 3 beautiful boys. One day, after a family gathering, they came home. The kids ran upstairs, got into their pajamas, and hopped into bed. They were waiting for their mom's goodnight kisses. My friend went upstairs. The room was dark. She walks in and bends down to give her 5-year-old a kiss. As she bends down, he came up and his head hit her in the nose. The septum broke and the impact passed through and hit the brain. She couldn't feel her cheeks or the little guy's kisses. It almost killed her. She was left with brain damage. Sadly, she lost more than half of her memory. That night, with the blink of an eye, her life changed forever. This could happen to any one of us. Did you know every year more than 100,000 Canadians experience a brain injury? 100,000 lives change in a split second. They lose their ability to move, the ability to remember, and some even lose their identity. The emotional pain they go through often lead to depression, causing a whole host of other problems. My research is all about finding a way to bypass this damage so these patients' abilities and the identity can be restored. It sounds magical, but it's not. It's neuroscience. Ladies and gentlemen, please raise your hands if you have used a GPS to navigate from one place to another. Thank you. Now, please raise the other hand if you have noticed the way it picks up the most efficient route with the least number of blockages. Thank you. Now that, in a nutshell, is the focus of my research. I have developed a model to find multiple routes with the least number of obstructions in the brain to bypass this damaged area. And using a novel technology that's still at the testing stage, I will be able to recreate these paths in the brain. By doing so, I will be able to reignite the lost abilities of these brain damaged patients. If you know someone who had been through a brain injury, just imagine the joy, the happiness they will feel once their abilities are restored. As for me, I will be able to help my friend regain her identity and memory so that one day she will finally be able to remember her boys' beautiful faces again. Thank you.